Okay, today we're going to do the trans mount over here. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for joining. We're going to remove the battery first, okay? So, looks like this one is this side the ground side? Oh, well, I mean, it's corroded, so we're going to clean everything anyways. So, let's take the cover off. Oopsie, wrong way. And let's get this bracket out of here. Just a simple bracket like that. Let's take the cover up out of here like that. And then let's remove the battery because that mount is right under here, okay? So first, let's undo the mounts for the battery. And then I can just release that. And that's very corroded, so we've got to clean that. We'll clean that in a little bit here. Okay. Let's do the positive. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's the positive. We'll get that out of the way. And then we'll pull the battery out. Let's see. Oh yeah, let's get the battery out because it's heavy. Okay. And next, we'll have to remove this box from the location. It looks like there is that's not a 10, that's for sure. But the one down here, that does look like, nope, that's an 11 too. So let me go get some tools, okay, for that. Okay, 3 bolts. I'm gonna get a light on here. And then, 4 bolts. There's another one over here. 4 nuts, I mean. The one on the side. And then 3 on the base. This is the last one. There we go. And then this box should just come out. And right there is our mount. This is the mount that we're looking for. I was able to get one from the dealer. Again, here's the part number. It was determined off the VIN. So that should be, you know, that's the way it was determined. So let's see how big the center one is. It's big. I think the outside ones are still the 15s, so we'll go with that. So these are probably yep, those are 15. So I'm gonna get a big socket for that one. All right, I have the transmission supported. Let's take the center one out here. I need an extension. Oopsie. Okay. And then we'll take the other ones out. But here. Transmission just fell, so let's pick it up just a little bit. And this is a lock nut, a nylock, and then we'll remove the 4 for these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, this only goes in one way. We're just going to slip it over the main stud, work it down, then I will kind of cinch that just a little bit, and then we're going to tighten these down. Like so. And then we'll just tighten it all up. Just like before, okay? Alright, we torque this in place. And then we're just going to put it all back together now. Alright. First thing to do is the box, once we clean it out, all the debris. And let's get this back into place. And then we'll get all the fasteners put back. And then this job will be done too. Okay. Okay, and now we're going to get the battery back in, but I'm going to really clean out these terminals first, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I put the battery back in, put the positive terminal back on there. We're going to get this little bracket in, the way it's supposed to be. There we go. And then over, and the battery tightened down, and then we will basically complete that mount. So again, guys, thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, and hey, have a great day. Take care now. Bye.